Yes, mtazamaji, nimekutana na wanafunzi kutokea Nikaira Primary School. Wanataka kuelezea kuhusiana na shule yao pamoja na hivi vitu ambavyo unaviona hapa mezani hapa.
Welcome, my name is Karen Valentine Jaka. I'm in grade 6. Welcome to the Kaira Engineering Club. In this club, we learn about a car engine, and as you know, a car engine can have over 200 moving parts. But today I'm going to tell you few of the parts of a car engine. The first part, it is the piston and the crankshaft. This is the crankshaft. The piston and the crankshaft are used to convert power into motion. And another part, it is the camshaft. These two are the camshaft. The camshaft are used to time valves opening. And these are the valves. The valves are used to control air and fuel flow. And also we have the engine block. The engine block consists of the combustion chamber, or you can call it cylinder block. The combustion chamber or the cylinder block is the foundation housing of the piston. These are the piston, and so this means that the combustion chamber or the cylinder block is where you can find the pistons. And also we have the distributor. These are the distributor. The distributor are used to distribute power to other parts of an engine. And also we have the water pump. That is the water pump. And the water pump is used to pump water from the radiator to the other parts of an engine. And also we have the intake manifold. The intake manifold is used to take air from outside to in the cylinder head. The cylinder head, it consists of valves and the camshaft. So when the air enters to the cylinder head, it goes direct to the valves. And when it enters to the valves, it also enters to the combustion chamber or cylinder block. In the combustion chamber or cylinder block is where you find 4 stages of an engine to work. And the first stage, it is intake. This is when the valves open, and when the valves open, it allows air and fuel to enter in the combustion chamber. And another stage, it is compression. This is when the pistons came up and mix air and fuel. And another stage, it is the power. This is when the spark plug ignites. And when the spark plug ignites, it causes power that pushes down piston. And the last stage, it is exhaust. This is when the valves again open. And when the valves again open, it allows the mixture of fuel and air to get out. And also we have some bolts. The bolts are used to tighten the engine parts. And also we have caps. These are the caps, but we have different size. There is big size, small size, and the small size. And the caps, you can find the caps to the crankshaft and the camshaft. And another thing, it is the head gasket. Head gasket, they stay in front of the combustion chamber or cylinder block. And head gasket are used to avoid the water and oil to enter inside the combustion chamber. Yeah, thank you.